Hey guys, people, dear. Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. It's me Nikki, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do my packing, because soon I'm going somewhere and that's a surprise for you guys. You have to guess where I'm going. मुझे वहाँ at least 4 to 5 months stay करना है, so I'll have to take most of my winter clothings with me. And please guys, please excuse my Hindi because मुझे उतनी अच्छी हिंदी नहीं आती, so I hope you bear with it. And most of my friends must be knowing where I'm going, so if you have any idea about it, please comment down below. So guys, packing is done. I will show you how I did my packing. This is it. Just kidding. अभी शुरू हुआ ही नहीं है. It's like a challenge for me. So first of all, I'm gonna start packing my pants. मैंने कुछ pants निकाल लिए हैं अपने closet से. So यहाँ से मैं कुछ selected pieces लेके जाने वाली हूँ. देखते हैं ये pants को कैसे pack किया जाए. मैंने पेन्स ये है ऐसे रोलिंग मैनर में डाल दिया है. पता नहीं if this is good or not because packing is just a huge burden for me. तो I just saw my sisters rolling it like this, so maybe this is a good idea. So guys, I'm already so tired. मेरी दीदी की पैर थी, मुझे नज़र ही नहीं आई. अभी सही लग रहा है शायद. अब हम कुछ समर के लिए भी क्लोथ्स पैक कर लेते हैं. मैंने सिर्फ पैंट्स पैक किया है अभी तक. अभी कुछ शर्ट्स एंड टी शर्ट्स वगैरह भी पैक कर. This is how I rolled my t-shirts, and trust me guys, it provides you with lots of space. I know it doesn't look that attractive, but it provides with space. So guys, finally my packing is done. That is the ones which I'm going to take along with me. You can see it's right here. लेकिन अभी the most important ones, that is the winter clothes, वो बाकी है. वो मुझे पैक करना होगा और वो मेरे मुंह में कोरियर के थ्रू भेजने वाली हूँ. So let's get started. So guys, these are some of the winter clothes जो मैंने select करके रखा है. यहाँ कुछ jackets है, यहाँ कुछ पजामे and some track suits. Here I have some hoodies. Here I have another big jacket. यहाँ भी hoodie है, यहाँ jackets है. तो देखते हैं इस बैग में fit आएगा कि नहीं. Let's try packing it once. You can see that my bag is fully stuffed, so I had to take out some of my clothes because I need some space to put in my shoes as well. I don't know if it will fit, but let's try it once. तो मैंने कुछ शूज़ पैक कर लिए हैं. यहाँ पर मेरे कुछ हील्स एंड शूज़ है, यहाँ बूट है, तो ये पैक कर लेती हूँ मैं. एंड आई हैवंट टेकन मच बिकॉज वहाँ ख़रीदना भी पड़ सकता है, इसीलिए. Guys, I'm finally done with my packing. So guys, मैं बुक्स पैक करना एंड जो कोरियर के लिए पैकिंग हुआ था वो सब कंप्लीटेड है, ऑलरेडी सील्ड है. अब मुझे ये अपने साथ ट्रॉली में लेके जाना पड़ेगा. These are some of the important books that I must take along with me, so let's get it packed guys. This is my entire world, my documents. This is the Manorama yearbook 2022 जो मैंने NCC के थ्रू से जीता था. I won, so I got this book. I got this Oxford English book and one of the books, verbal reasoning. Got this. This is my sister's heavy marriage album. तो ये भी मुझे डालना होगा. My sister told me that I'll have to put this. So this one is a suspense. I won't show it to you now. So guys, this is how I packed my stuffs. मैंने बुक के साथ साथ बैग्स भी डाल दिया है. This is a mini purse. ये बैग है, ये मेरा मेकअप essentials है. ये भी एक बैग है, doesn't look like a bag. And these are some of my earrings. Here I have my stationeries. ये भी बैग है. And let me show you this cute two little stuffs. ये मेरा comb है, which is a must have for me. And this is a hand wash. It doesn't look like one, लेकिन this is very cute guys. So yeah, these are the most essential things that I have to take. Also not forgetting my sunglasses. और भी कुछ स्मॉल लिटल थिंग्स लेना है मुझे, वो तो मैं जाते समय भी पैक कर सकती हूँ. सो फॉर नाउ आई थिंक दिस मच इज़ इनफ. So guys, finally and officially I'm done with my packing. It was such a tiring day for me, but I completed it, and thanks to my sister who reminded me of the books, or else I would have completely forgotten. I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and please do support my channel. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will keep entertaining you guys. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.